Welcome. Today in front of me VIVO Y33s, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just go to the sound section. Right there you can see your media, ringtone, notification and alarm volumes. You can change them just by here swapping these blue dots to the left or to the right side. So also we got here the vibration focus. We just can turn on or turn off the vibration, the notification vibration for your notifications. Also we can use here the don't disturb mode. We can change the ringtone, notification and alarm ringtone. For example, just tap here and you can select one from these available alarm ringtones, or you can also select your alarm ringtone from your custom ringtones from your device. Also we got here the dial pad tones. When you just touch your dial pad, you'll hear the sounds of your dial pad. So also we got here the screen locking sound. When you just lock or unlock your device, you'll hear the sounds. The charging sounds will just charge your phone, you'll hear the sound. The touch sounds, if we'll just turn it off, you can't hear nothing. And now just as can you see, when we just touch something on our screen or open the app, we can hear the touch sounds. And so also we can hear just activated touch vibration, and you can feel the vibration while you just tap your screen. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.